balon? Itu merumit.
Nih? Oh! Jaren? Niemand is jaren. Dankjewel, papa.
Yay!
Yay!
Benar. Ya.
Manis.
Mak.
Dankjewel, papa. Good
Papa.
morning, guys.
Good morning.
Today it was declared code red in our area because it's a bad weather, and with all the snow from the past week, it's very dangerous for people driving. So I think everybody's in the house
Papa. What?
and enjoying themselves with this very it's cloudy, rainy weather.
Ah.
Oh, hi, baby. Hello.
Ma, hello, Mama.
Okay, hello, mama. Brewing coffee, guys. So how was everybody's week? Did you have a good time with all the snow with your kids? I hope you did, because we sure had a lot of fun on the ice. Cheers, guys. Papa, your coffee. So today JP's also home. He's not working because he's supposed to be on site today, but then his boss said that he doesn't need to go because it's very dangerous on the road, so he has to go tomorrow, which is great. So he's home. We can enjoy at home and have some activities with Jens. Later Jens is gonna go Hoterstelsal, so he's going to be there for about 3 hours and enjoy himself with other kids. So that's gonna be amazing. Anyway, for today's vlog, guys, nothing special. I'm just gonna run you through the past week and how special it was for everyone, and I think for you too, living in the Netherlands. I've enjoyed watching everyone else's ice skating vlog. Oh my god, it's just amazing. Hey guys, so I just dropped Jens at the kindergarten. It was a little rough on the road, but I made it. I didn't want JP to drop at the kindergarten because it's even more dangerous on the car. At least when I have the stroller with me, I have the control of everything, and I feel confident that I'm not gonna fall, or Jens and I are safe. So this is actually the other side of the Netherlands. When you're living here as a mom, you have to be ready with everything. Your rain proof jacket, your shoes has to be rain proof, because in times like this you really need it. And on your stroller you need extra rain protection as well, that you have to buy separate, so that you are not confined in the house and you are free to move outside. So everything is not just a walk in the park here, being a mom. I am home, guys. So yeah, that's how it takes to be a mom in the Netherlands in times like this when the weather is very bad.